Hey guys, I'm Jay Hendricks with Staten Island Yacht Sales. I'd like to welcome you aboard the Princess V60. Come on in through the cockpit here. You'll step into the dinette and galley area. As you can see, the galley on this boat is in the aft area, which lends itself to dining in the cockpit with an optional opening window and serving area here. As you can see, we have a very open concept here on the V60. You have outdoor dining that lends itself into the interior. You can entertain from inside to out or outside to in. As you step inside, you'll notice a big bright open windows, opposing dinette to the galley, table that's built at Princess, handcrafted in Plymouth is their tagline. As you can see, beautiful woodwork, stainless steel, high gloss walnut finish. And then you step further into the boat and you'll see the wide open salon, huge U-shaped seating, leather finish. Again, the high gloss walnut woodwork behind, big bright windows. Opposing the seating area is a service bar with wet bar underneath, ice maker, refrigerator, wine locker, high-low TV. And as you step into the helm area, you'll notice beautiful hand-stitched leather seating for two, outfitted with Garmin electronics, bow and stern thrusters, fitted with autopilot, man engine display through Princess. Got 1,200 horse man engines. She's equipped with a seatkeeper also. With a flick of a switch, we can make the entire roof disappear. She opens up. You can run this boat at full cruise with the sunroof open and open up the back doors. Very versatile layout and styling. You get the best of both worlds. As you make your way down the steps and forward is the VIP stateroom. VIP stateroom has private access to a head with a stall shower. That head doubles as the day head. On the starboard side, there's a bunk room with electric adjustable beds, so it can be two singles or convert to a double. As you notice as you walk through the vessel, all the high gloss finishes, stainless leather work, details that you won't see in most any other product in the industry. The V60 also boasts a full beam master stateroom, complete walk-around berth, plenty of storage and cabinetry to include hanging lockers, lots of ambient light, which is unusual for a midship master, but you take a look at the bright windows, detail, again, inlays. Inside the master stateroom, you have an in-suite head with full step-in stall shower, solid surface countertops, and again, high gloss finishes, stainless steel inserts. And here we are at the best seat in the house, right here in the little settee in the master stateroom. Massive windows on both sides. Great spot to read a book if you're not into the cruise upstairs. So here we are out on the bow of the V60. Another great area to entertain. You've got a raised seating area here in front of your windshield. Because it's raised here, we've got cabinetry or storage lockers behind each seat for fenders and lines. Forward of the seat is a small table, which lends itself to the sun pad forward. Adjustable sun pad on both sides, high-low for nice neck support. Cup holders on both sides with stainless grab rails. Stereo controls with speakers. Great place to entertain and hang out. So that just about sums it up for the V60 here. This boat's available for immediate delivery, so make sure you give us a call at Staten Island Yacht Sales. We are the #1 Princess dealer in North America. Let's make this one yours.